So in a deck of cards we have black cards and red cards, right? So if you were to pull one color out, what color would you pull out?
Black.
Black. So the black are gone now. We're left with hearts and diamonds. So if you had to pick between hearts or diamonds, which one would you pick?
Diamonds.
Diamonds? So like I said, I made a prediction and I was pretty sure that you'd pick the queen of diamonds. I was actually so sure, I put it on the back of another card, and I was actually so sure it's the only card I brought, so there you go.
So he does this to me on a regular basis.
What? My name is Jenna White, and I am the owner and founder of Jenna's Nut-Free Dessertery Inc. in Fredericton, Nouveau-Brunswick. We offer nut-free baked goods and desserts in addition to having a restaurant with a breakfast and lunch menu. We get most of our ingredients locally. Almost all of them come from the Boyce Farmers Market from fellow vendors where I started. We also have a line of baking mixes, flour, hot chocolate, and vanilla sugars that will be hitting market sometime within the next 6 to 12 months. So I get in early in the morning and I start baking to replenish all of our baked goods from the day before, and I get our fresh bannock ready for our menu items, and then I just wait till our customers come in and I serve them up something delicious. Buy local for good means to me not only supporting the communities that we all live in, but it also gives everybody a chance to prosper. There's more than enough to go around, and we live in a province that has the ability to actually allow us to grow so many different things and raise different animals, so we can actually buy local and still have a well-balanced diet. So the support of New Brunswickers really means everything to me. We started at the farmers market 2 years ago with 2 small folding tables, and we now have a full bakery and restaurant. We have the best customers in the world. They come in here full of personality. We have some that come in and show us magic tricks. We have just so many amazing people who walk through our doors every single day or get in touch with us to place orders. We really live in a province full of amazing people. So you can get our products at 170 Urquhart Crescent in Fredericton, New Brunswick, or at the Boyce Farmers Market, on Shopify, or at Sacred Hearts in Fredericton on St. Mary's Reserve. Well, I'll be honest, if it wasn't for the pandemic, I probably wouldn't be sitting in my own restaurant right now. Being shut down for 5 months gave me the opportunity to really evaluate where I wanted my business to go. So I took that time and I rewrote my business plan and put it into action. So now we have a restaurant with a bakery on site, we still have a market booth, we're getting our products into stores and launching new product lines. So as crazy as the pandemic was, it allowed me to move my business forward and to create multiple income streams, which is very important for all local businesses. Buy local for good.